no setup where I say it's a long term. At least I'm expecting the market, if they break through this zone, we truly currently where the market is, if they close above that zone, we have to look at the what? Another potential zone. But according to price action, or according to some other strategies, one of these two zones, this zone or this one, it is called what? To other strategies, they call it inducement. I don't know whether people you have ever heard about inducement. Who knows the meaning of inducement? Amanyi meaning ya inducement jitutere wa tusome. Inducement, when we talk about inducement, what comes to your mind? So we shall only confirm that singa market ene closing above this zone. Now if it is respected and they sell off, meaning never selling the market will have to come and close below here. This will act, our stop loss will act as our TP1. Or then to this zone is going to be our TP2, then you push back upwards. That will only happen if the market respects this what? Respects that what? That zone. I don't know whether I am making something here clear. And if they close above this zone, therefore that means we are going to the next zone, and this is what it's again acting, it's going to act as a trap. Again acting category. Meaning, tap the screen, guys, tap the screen. Meaning, our total jalinda paka expected sell area. Another thing you should know about forex is that most of the time, whenever you see such moves, zero moves muzera likirirenga nnyo. Bera ongo ononya bunonya potential zone. Whenever the market creates something philosophy of this kind, nga olaba ekintu kino ekifaanagana. Whenever you see such a move, ebiseera ebisinga what you should always expect an impulse. Kati wano ndi mubawa ezimu ku tips eziri mu impulsive strategy. Expect the market to react at any level. Ejja kujja kube move ngegenda kujja respecting a previous what? The previous high. Now, most of the traders, we target this to be our take profit one according to market structure. And if you are so lucky, when you are so lucky, in an area, most of the time it's respected. We are generally respecting take profit you want. Katwa to confirmation most of the time 1 hour over 4 hour time frame. We are closing above that zone. Then there, you just have to wait for a retest. Then you proceed upwards. The vice versa is the what? Is the same. Last pullback before the impulsive or Lucy, Boba Butego. Yes, that's also true. So, my dear friends, a concept it is the same thing that is we are expecting to happen here. If you proceed even to 1 hour, concept it is the same concept that we have experienced on that what? On that level. So this is a long term setup. Be taking serious notes effective. Remember another thing you should know about these pairs like Euro USD. These pairs respect the strategy clearly. This is respecting a strategy clearly. Wobanga chokozo chasing nga setup yobanga strategy owulira you so perfect with it. Most of the time joda ina kwera likiri yako ya dedachika nemu wait. You have received. But weda nga munjagadde waliwo akedde okudipostinga akasente wano. Oh, thank you so much my blazer. Mgaga ampadde yakasente ngambye FK thanks for the work. Webale kutusomesa muganda wange sigineyo namuwadde najikola ko sente, so he's happy with what is seeing in the what? In the charts. Thank you, my brother, Mr. Swabs. Is it Swabs? It's called Swabs. Batrader. And distracting I think I'm nkyali mu kusomesa naye. We can continue. So njagala tusululire pay eyo olaba Euro USD ku 4 hour time frame. Atambudde amazo closing above this what? This zone. Now that one means that there are higher chances we are still going upwards. Katugenda linda market it we pull back. Any kind of pullback we get, we shall just have to execute buys. Ekyo nkibabulidde wano noonya buys ku Euro USD. Tulifena kati katusomere ku eno setup ya wano. Eno gye twatusomerako bino tsoke tubijjeko. Let us study from this. So, what we were waiting for the market to close above this. And now, this zone, now, we are waiting 26 minutes from now for the market to close. Tuchiraba. Naye kalinga concept keva balaga. Kakano, you see the market was created here, budget about impulsive move here, and now we started creating the lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And then out of the blue, Baza they were covering all this that was created here. Ochitegera. But you covering nze sagala mugambe nti tuwakotogedde byonna nga yeni mu bisomesa nzize mbikola ki mbibagamba. So webaba nga bazze ne ba respect the take profit, this would have been our take profit one. Webaba gihitinze twagala tulinde, we have to wait. Remember traders, let me emphasize this, let me make this clear guys. In forex trading, 90% of your time it's about waiting. You should give a lot of time on analyzing the charts. You have to focus and look at the charts. Read the graphs clearly. Try to look out and see really what am I expecting. So, whenever closes, this is what you should do. Remember that our next target is going to be the next zone. Our next target will be this zone. And now this is to someone who is expecting to go against the trend. Holiday. Ubanga go subira going against the trend, one will not take profit yo kubanga potential zone yeri waggulu ddala. Naye okutuuka ko that potential zone kizo twalamu some time unless there is an event. Secondly, don't forget that yesterday was a bank holiday. All together. So, we try to find a breakout. This is what we're gonna do. Kati chetugenda okukola to take the direction, we should wait for the market to give us any confirmations. Here to in a potential areas, if we have this area, we can take trades from this zone or from this level. One also taking it out trade because this was the area of consolidation before the impulsive what? The impulsive move. So we expect the market to at least come back to this what? To this area. Then we proceed to that zone. That's expectation number one. And then if not that level, then we should consider that level because this was a consolidation on a lower time frame. If you proceed downwards to maybe 5 or 15 minutes, you will find that this was another consolidation before the impulsive move. However, we can be able to see that even on a 15 minutes, they already gave us a retest on this zone because yaze yasose candle yone breaking candle yasose tugira ba breakings, then in network confirmation, and now we are doing what? We are moving upwards. Kukati kumuntu wa trading at higher time frames, these are the zones going on as a retracement yo. Iti akatale tukasubire kana baka closing in the above. Kande nebezeko ejatwa retracement at least to one of these zones proceeding upwards because the market is now shifting. It is trying to shift from the sellers to the what? To the buyers. Simanyo wa mufuna. So another expectation, if it doesn't respect that, then to this level downwards. But webajja ne batuka ku level ne bataji respecting awo manya ebetuwadde confirmation zaba sellers wano eno zone ya wano singa bajja ne ba closing la below this zone, then there we shall be expecting to move. And now shall we confirm that the sellers are now taking over? It's only if we get at least 1 or 2 candles. Are we together? Otujja tufuna candles affe bbiri eziri nga zirina momentum nga zimuvinga downwards, then there we shall say we are buying or we are selling on that level. Already buys to our confirming kati tusigaza zones bbiri we tulina ku expecting akathala okujja katuwerewo re-entries, then we push to the next zone. Eyo pair njimaze waliwo agirinako ekibuuzo tugende maaso. Is there anyone with a question? Waliwo alina ekibuuzo. Is there any question there before you proceed? Yenna alina ekibuuzo, kindly ask for the benefit of your colleagues. If you think it is worth asking, please bring up that question. So that is what we should expect. And another thing, if the market doesn't come back, era kasobola okujja ero zone yenyine esobola reactinga nga buy area yaffe. The zone esobola okudda obuzzi kuno kwennyini, and then we push upwards. Also, that is possible. Tulifena mazo breaking down Euro USD. Now let me take this opportunity to send greetings to my people. I'm seeing Mr. Spinny Hose. Good morning. How are you doing, my bro? I'm seeing Kant 256. I'm seeing Junior Love 1. Junior Love 1. How are you doing? I'm seeing Musk. Musk, how are you doing? I'm seeing Charlie, the man, Charlie something. How are you doing? Kayondo Joseph. Ugambotya Mr. Kayondo Joseph. Is everything good enough? That's it. How do you know that it has retraced enough? You can use a Fibonacci. However, if you're good in price action, you can as well be able to use price action, and you can be able to know that retracement is going to end from a particular what? A particular zone, a particular area. Yes, Mr. Paulo. Oh, how are you doing, Mr. Paulo? Let me hope everything is there. Is good that side. Young Ma, how are you doing, Young Ma? Mr. Fahad. Fahad Ingrabieko, I've seen you down there. I'm seeing Nsubuga George Williams. How are you, Mr. Nsubuga George Williams? You have a name of my good friend. Baraka, is everything good? I'm seeing Koja Dennis Sebugwaya, Shafiki Karunji, and then others. With the time I'll be sending greetings to you all. However, yes, my blazer, osaba chi sebu, osaba chi chiri ku trading. Ma trader bange mundetere ku bibuuzo bambi for the benefit of our friends. Yes, any questions? Mumbuze ku bibuuzo ndyoke nkole setup eddako. Mumbuze ku bibuuzo nkole setup eddako. Bring me some questions ndyoke nkole setup eddako. Shafiki agamba chi? Shafiki Adams yankubiddeko. Shafiki, salamu alaikum. Kastan kule manene mukukubira nga maito toli ku live. Kastona byejendi muganda wange siganye kwata simu. Naye mbadde nkyaweereza bakama bange ssebo ekitiibwa. Era nakalanka kayiseewo iPhone, wowe yagala iPhone eya buli kala, iPhone 17 Pro Max okudda wansi. Empya, oyagala empya oba oyagala reused. Oyagala reused nnyo oba oyagala reused ko nga katono. Oyagala nga nkadde kadde muko oba nga nkadde ddala, oba oyagala nga mpya oba nga mpya nnyo, oyagala nga ya box oba oyagala nga gwagisoosemu 0 mileage. Omusajja oyo Shafik Adams mukebereko. Shafik Adams abasajja baterewo ennamba yo bajja kuweereza ka message. Oyagala Samsung S25 Ultra or 26 Ultra. Samsung yonna gy'oyagala ekika omugagga oyo Shafiq Adams mumukebereko omusajja wange nnyo ddala. So era tomusanga mu kkubo n'omuyitako. Location Pioneer Mall ojo musanga insha Allah. Pioneer Mall enamba ye yagibateereddewo 07 700 22 5. Musajja oyo amasimu ajja gagguza ate wallahi ajja kuba ku price gy'otasuubira. Okitegedde? So omusajja oyo mwogeddeko lwa nsonga emu. Musajja wange nnyo siina balala bentera kwogerako wano okujjako ye mumutuukirye mu nsonga ezo insha Allah. Tomanya twandifuna akasente ka subscription mu VIP oteesa ki fe abali mu free channel ku Telegram otusuulirayo ko ka Signal at least kamu every week. Signal ziteekayo set up buli lunaku almost every after 24 hours I take set up ezisukka mwemu bana abali mu Telegram yange ngambadde mulaba set ups zange nsaba musajja mutegeeze nti set up ziteekayo. Second, however ne Signal njanjo ziteekayo naye Signal ezo anyways ngenda kirowoozaako adi eyo gyogedde kale entuufu njabba wangayoko kembamba wadde inshallah neze kyemanyi nti ekisinga okuba beta kulaga wa sente wengenda zijja wenkuwa set up mba nkuwadde sente empetitive kitegeeza it's all about you to risk how you want. Oshegedde naye meanwhile era set up wembanga nshare set up 10 ebiseera ebisinga kale 9 n'ekitundu zonna zibeera successful alhamdulillah. So Mr. Charlie is asking, I'm new to your platform, so do you use order blocks of FVG or you pure price action? I use impulsive strategy, my blazer. However, I combine almost all of that. Yeah, I almost combine all of that. So another thing is that, like I said, if you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. Network is unstable. No, my blazer, it is yours. My network is very stable. I'm trying to say that ebiseera ebisinga bw'obanga tonajoininga Telegram yange omisinga kubanga Telegram channel mwenteeka link za live zino sessions nga nzija kati njagala mumpe payer endala emu ntandike okuchapa inshallah to breaking it down nga to break it down ilo USD. So give me that payer. What payer is that? By the way, sisobola ku meeting amuntu lwa 25k account ekyo tokisuubira okujja ng'ogenda sasula transport naye nga sisobola ku meeting. Like I told you guys, be aware every day from now to get number to grow trading flow. Don't miss out, inshallah. Yeah, someone is requesting for Audi, Euro, Australian dollar. However, it's a Euro. Manya direction is the okufana kana newe very opposite direction. Era ejaba na impulsive moves zestia, zezimu, nezachi, nezeyo. Audi njina one. I have Euro Audi here. Yes, it is there. Euro Audi, chechino chekugambye. Most of the time, these pairs, zifanagana kasitebanga zina bases zimu, setup zaffe zibaddenga mu long terms naye tutuuka ne tunyuka. So let us try to break it down. Otujja kuddaire time frame ya Audi, kyesooka okunoonyaayo direction. Whatever we can see right now is that the market is fighting. Yeah, this was the first area to say that the market, if it closes below this area, selling off. So Charlie, and then messaging as in it, I would like to join your VIP Signal group. Are you joining? It sounds on Charlie lower prices. Kati a zone was to if you look at that zone. Kudeire twali tusuubira okubanga etwa change in character. However, tesobola verifying abitya Ransonga already the market was still in a what? Was still in a range. You can all see that. The market was ranging off. Now we had this other potential strong zone. And remember, this is a daily what? A daily time frame. Meaning if anyone is to trade on daily time frame, you should be at least using the weekly or the monthly time frame for the setups. So if you consider this zone, we can see now the market has a network tools for our time frame. And now they are giving us an impulsive move. Enokano jebali mukutua yoyoka emala bumazo confirming if it closes the way it is. Emala bumazo kugamba nti munaye okyali mu byonna byolimu naye ba buyers bakola ki bajja. The buyers are now taking over. And if you are to consider this will act as your expected take profit to be number 2 or expected area 1, and then this is going to be the expected buy area where the market is currently. Then you can put a take profit 1 here depending on your money or your account. Tulifena wano ojo take area yo looking by marking that zone chibachitegeza or marking almost all the potential areas for the liquidity. Tulifena dozo chiraba. Kati akatale okujja karwane kaite kweno zone kajja baka kozechi kajja baka rwanye nnyo. Tulifena by the time the market will come to this zone and they close above it, chijaba chiraga nti ekozechi erwanye nnyo. Now if this is 1 hour, inegenda reacting nga confirmation gundi setup ya fije tugendo trading irako okusinzira ku 1 hour structure. Are we together? So we had 2 areas that we should consider. Number 1, we have this one. And seeing the market comes and closes above that, then we shall confirm that we are still moving upwards. However, wotunulira ku structure je tuyina wano kati zino zinainze entekamuzo wajazi confirming anyo ku lower time frame. This was a potential area for someone to execute a trade. Even if it is to give us a retracement, we shall wait for the market to come back to this expected area and then we move. Tulifena eno area jitwa tusubirako akatale okukaba teka break inze wano. Kiba kitegeza tugenda ku moving amba sellers weba sellinga kwa hiyo area tuba tujja kukiria. Tugenda ko 30 minutes. Let us try to go to the lower time frame, 15-minute time frame tulabe. We try to refresh. Tubenga this is our area wetuzanjira. So this is 15 minutes. You can see 15 HR branch okuyitawo. Okitegedde. Kati wobanga ogenda trading era kuno omuntu yenna ajalinda, you will have to just wait for a confirmation at that zone. You wait for the sellers to take over. If you are to go against the trend, nchidamu wano oli going against the trend, you can even put your take profit 1 here because tusubira akatalo okujja kali tracing mwezo levels. Take profit 1 ujitake awo and then stop loss above the zone, oba take profit yo ebere wano previous what? The previous low that we had. Now remember, ekyo nchikuwadde nga kiri against the what? The zone. Tunafuna confirmation. Ekyokulala, even if we get a sell from this level, remember already tushanonya ba buyers. The only way to look for buys, singa kale tufuna kando ne weberemu. Nejja ne closing above. Njagala kande emwejje, wetufunayo kande emu nejja kale ne closing ira wano. Kiba kitukola buki bulungi nnyo nga tugamba kati now the buyers are there webali. Then wetuma bafuna yo kando tetufaayo. Let us not even mind any other candle that comes to this level. Tuba tujja gifaako yadde bajja kujja baseringe webana abatuuse mu areas zino. We shall expect at least to do what? To take a re-entry to buy to them to buying. That is the power of using the impulsive strategy. Inti wobanga badoli mu trading impulsive, webanga this was the area of consolidation. Eno yabade area ya consolidation njirebolingi batya wano mweno areas consolidation we yabade before the impulsive move. Therefore that means wait for the market to react. This is a reaction. Oshagera impulsive jabali mukuwa, it is just a reaction je tuli mukulaba mu katale. Then wait for the market to come back. And era nabasomesa nembagamba, I remember talking about this. Nabagamba ati if the market gives an impulsive, we should expect it to come back in at least 3 ways. Ani azimanyi 3 ways. engeri ziri 3 oziraba emu ku 2 no ziri 2 ebiri woziraba oba okyali mu direction ya impulsive naye olaba emu kuzo eyokusatu oba toyina goyigage to the same direction. Number 1 toyina kyetuyita balanced return. Balanced return wojja whenever the market does a balanced return towards the dealing range or the area of consolidation before the impulsive move, just execute the market following the same direction of the what? The impulsive. That's what we call the balanced return. All together. Then we have what we call the reversal return. The reversal return wojiraba toyingira kwe kubanga bakuya impulsive candle webalo jikuba ate ne bana bakuya impulsive against the same what? The same move. That is a reversal return. Reversal return wojiraba, please don't waste your time. Baba jaita ku dealing range. Dealing range chechi. Dealing range is the consolidation, the area of dealing, negotiating the sellers and the what? And the buyers. All together. Tulifena? Are we together, my colleagues? So, ebintu bibiri nga mbyogedde, reversal return wojiraba, don't go against it. Kemanyi mugitegeera. I don't know whether you can understand it. Then tetubanda kyetuyita ne yes, netubanda kyetuyita balanced return yenungi okuteekingirako ki trades. Yeah, mu dakiika ezo nga muleta ebibuuzo eyo pay amaze ogikolako analysis, don't breaking it down. As you bring up questions for me, yes, allow me, send greetings to the following, my people here, Besinabu Zako, Farida Costa, how are you doing? I'm seeing Bryden Best. Is everything okay, Mr. Benja? I'm seeing Holy Trades. Are you good, Mr. Holy Trades? How's the market taking you that side? I'm seeing Rita. How are you doing, Mr. Rita? I'm seeing Jamal, Jojo. How are you, Jojo? I'm seeing Sam. I'm seeing Ipasi. I'm seeing brother. I'm seeing Wanjiku. Hey, Wanjiku. Huzaifa. Is everything okay that side? Is it trading in many pair? Is trading in many pairs good? No, it's not good. It's not good at all. You need to focus. Just like I focused in the FK, I only trade XAUSD NAS 100, and again I trade NAS 100. I trade indices. So ka setup kakaba kabere complete. Umuntu anayagala okuteekika trades, at least you can use this setup to guide you. Ate munagamba akasajja katukolede setup ne katuleka mu bbanga iyo njibawadde the saving nga bweri. Let me first remove all these so that it looks a bit neat. I'm seeing the buyers, but sellers, bali fighting with the buyers, which is a little bit promising. And for risky traders, basinga obungi abayingire that trade size. Naye omuntu ayina ebigendererwa, you have to pay rent. I don't think that it is worth a risk. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. We have to wait for the candles to close. Only 5 minutes left. A closing, so you have to give it time. Kijja kuyambako tegeera either you sell or you buy. Take it. Don't risk. I'm coming for mentorship. I'll be waiting, my blazer. I'll be waiting. I will be waiting. Yes. Tuina options bidi. We're closing it out. We are selling. I repeat, if we close any confirmations, ne batuwa kando y'abaseera tujja yingira sales zaffe. Stop loss tugiteeke kuki above the zone. Mwemanyiza nnyo okozesa stop loss ezinga ntono. Egazi ya stop loss mubirekera abantu ng'owedde kyakola akikola ki akimanyi. Naye ebiseera ebisinga gwe nanga bakyali banibbi abatandika obutandisi. I can't recommend you to trade on with what? With those stop losses that are big. Yes, any other questions? Any other questions? Feel free to ask. Feel free to ask the question tugende muliiso. Okay. It is 53 minutes, almost 1 hour. Let us use the last 9 minutes for questions about prop farms. Let ekibuuzo kyonna ky'olina nga kiri ku prop tugende maaso. Let ekibuuzo, bring any question you can access nga kiri about prop farms. Tugende muliiso. Don't forget to join our Telegram, guys. Don't forget to join it. Any questions? Amanda temwina ibuzo ngenda komao. What prop farms are you trading on now? I don't trade prop farms. Nanyuse is trading a prop farms. Prop farms oba oguzeeyo n'ogindeetera ngi trading njagi trading. Naye nze nga FK unless nga ndi awo neeboye siinamu account ya kutradinga nga ngula ka account k'omutwalo. Nga ngula ka account k'ebiri oba ak'etaano nga nzanyira okwo mpola mpola. Weka breachinga well and good nga nzira ku kirala. Kitegedde. Then Mr. Shafu ambuzize ekibuuzo, why are most future farms prop farms is closing? Ensonga enkulu ennyo mu future prop farms is that liquidity provider waabwe ali omu. Kati ekimalamu amaanyi liquidity provider waabwe naye ate ayina future prop ye. Kitegeeza ayina oku eliminatinga competition. That's number one. At times ajja kwagala okuwa service naye agerera service gy'akuwa ate gwe sente ogabanga abo oba omulemesa abalina oteekawo embeera okulaba nti okulozinga. N'ensonga endala nnyingi future farms teziri so regulated, teziri so controlled nga bwe batu controlling eno. Kitegedde. So that is it. Ensonga ki ziri mu kugalawo. So someone's asking me, when I pay for mentorship, is it online or physical? Physical angenga bay, of course eba online. Physical charging akasete kanene dala nga olira nchogera according to the economy of Uganda. Naye online just $9 nga ojoininga just $90 you join. Omalo joininga then nga ebera one-on-one session nga tuvuga paka wowulira nti yes. So USD atambudde nga etwambubaze ebeda nenda candle neggule. I was waiting for this candle to close, to open. So this is how they have closed. They have not closed above the zone, and now you can see the reaction is very smooth. Obambade mujiyingidde, I don't know. Anyways, you are watching the koya nambwe. Kozeseriwa, and I think let me use this Bagita Euro card. Is it Euro? Is it Euro what? Euro Australian dollar. Banda already waiting. Euro Australian dollar. Euro. Would the Katrina Linda 1 hour gaddewo once. So tugenda taking a risk. Tugezeko taking a risk unless nga batwadde kando ne galira above. That's the only way we shall say tugenda kola ki kuseri kubayinga. Naye ekitali ekyo we are not wasting time. 3 kubanga tulina zone waggulu temkyerabira. However, confirmations ababaya zikyali nnyingi nti sero buy ebadde ne strong momentum so tetuyinza kibuusa ki maaso munfuna. So that is the kaseta, at least akasigino mukatwale tukateekeko ssente tumanya kajja sasula. Lero mu trading eko bubi mukirize confirmation zibasangeyo oluvannyuma. Sero you Audi stop loss kweri ne take profit kweri. VIP bakoze nakasente VIP nsuso basigine ezisusse ngenda soka mpumulemu. So with the way that candle look at 1 hour, is in the momentum likely to stop us out? Yes, it is more likely. There are higher chances okubanga kacha buying because of the momentum. Because of the momentum. Buyers bakyalina amaanyi okusinziira wana wegadde just ekitugambisiza nti tugiwe riski y'ababuyer closing it above this zone. Katwagala kande eddako closing etya kande kinasinziira if receive gaida bagambye like I told you earlier. I told you nabakubidde ekifaananyi in case we receive any candle upward here ne closing ra waggulu awo. So kenzijewo kano tuwenga tulaba bulungi. Singa tuna kando ne closing kitegeeza tuba tugenda continuing ambaki mu ba buyers. Okitegeera awo tuba tugenda kyusa target yaffe tuteeke wano nga tugenda osuubira okuddamu okukola ki okuteeka trade yaffe awo tugenda naye ate kiba kitegeeza twagala kando tuba tugenda looking for the buyers to proceed upwards okusinziira ku momentum. Simanyi oba wenkikola bwetyo kikola sense naye ekyo ekinaaba tekisobose then twatujja noonya we shall have to wait for any candle that moves to this direction okuddamu ofuna ki buy. That's why tubadde twagala tuyingire neki ne retracement oba onfuna tubadde twagala tuyingire ne retracement at least kale kweyo level batuweereko ki retracement tusobola okukola ki okuddamu obayingirako to moving upwards. Cliffena. Yeah, that is what I can say. Sell again a bit against. The sell is total against the direction. However, for those traders who want to risk, yes, you can take a risk. Also, risking. Please don't risk. Audi tetwala sente nene n'ogiwa standard lot size emu eyinalanga stop loss etwala $1,200. Kitegedde so zino peya kyekizinjagaza zokka ezo nti torisikinga sente nnyingi ebe kusasudde ate kusasudde well and off nga tudda ku kiki ku kirala. Simple as that. Tulifena. So I'm welcoming in 2 questions. We call it a day. I'm welcoming in 2 questions. We call it a day. Two questions. Okay. Let me take this opportunity to thank Mr. Spinny Horse has been with us from the start. Paul has been with us from the start. Kant 256. Thank you for being with us. Benny B. Benja obaddewo ne omulala gwe neegendereza. So why ain't you no longer trading Profams? Profams is not like it zino obuzibu but nejo nakinyonyodde abantu. I feel like nze kyenkozeeko kimala. Kati njagala ku experiencinga life eno ey'okulipostinga akakadde kange kamu bukadde 3.5 nenkolako emiliyoni 2.345 ne ziblowing ne ziamu nenteekayo that process. I also want to feel it. I get to know how it feels like, you know. So, thanks for today's stand up. Let us meet tomorrow, inshallah, same time. We shall be here on our live stream together. I just wish you a blessed day. Have a nice time today. Don't over risk. We still have a long way to go. Have a good day, traders. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.